going to do is describe this outfit. I really, really love it. And this is Miss Brittney Jae. I really love, her name just rolls off the tongue. And she's so beautiful. I love her hair. Had to put the princess crown on. I love the sunglasses that she chose. And she's actually wearing vintage gloves that are like 50 years old. So I'm very happy with the gloves. This, of course, is a beautiful polka dot dress from Atomic Jane Clothing. And I absolutely love it. We put it together with a patent leather black belt. And she has on some really cute like baby doll shoes. I love them. I love her stockings because it just looks so perfect. And she looks like Minnie Mouse. She looks like Minnie Mouse. And I did her hair in an updo. And then she did the bangs in the front. So again, I love what she's wearing. I love what everyone's wearing. And now we're going to